Hey Super Cruisers, it's Kevin and Frank from Cruising with Wheels.
Welcome to your Tuesday Tip of the Day.
So like Frank said, this is Tuesday Tip of the Day, and if you're not familiar, it's all about short, concise videos with little tidbits and tips to help you have a better cruise. Today's cruising tip is Ziploc bags are your friend.
That's right. Use quart, gallon, or extra size Ziploc bags while you cruise.
Use the quart size for all your 311 carry-on items when you're flying in the United States.
Protect your spillables like shampoo, sunscreen, and any aerosol spray cans you may bring with you.
Bring some Ziploc bags with you. You can use them to carry food from the buffet to your cabin.
Changing out of wet clothes while in port? Bring a Ziploc bag with you.
Remember, protect your makeup, nail polish, and any other spillable beauty products with a Ziploc bag.
Use them to store your dirty socks and underwear during the cruise when you pack to go back home.
Did you know that you can use one for snacks while you're traveling into the port?
Use one to cover that TV remote so you don't touch it. Are you afraid of germs?
You can use one for all of your over-the-counter medications that you carry on every single cruise.
Use the extra large ones for packing cubes.
You can use one at the beach or on a rainy day to keep water away from those valuable items.
Use one to keep all your electronic accessories organized as you travel.
And use one to organize your child's wardrobe. One outfit for each and every day.
Use them to collect small souvenirs while in port.
Use one to collect all your cruise paperwork and, of course, your receipts.
But photos on board the ship? Protect them by using a Ziploc bag on your way home.
You can use them as a shoe bag.
Yeah.
You want to get a gallon size, and so that your shoes won't dirty your suitcase or any of your clothing.
Some travelers use one as an emergency barf bag.
If you're traveling with a baby, a great use for those Ziploc bags is dirty diapers or soiled clothes.
A great use for your children's toys to travel with. One little bag for each child.
They make a great impromptu ice bag to keep things cold or if you happen to have an injury while on board.
Used to pack delicate clothing like nylon stockings, silk, or lace items if you have them.
Use them to pack laundry soap if you plan to do laundry while on board the ship or in case you have a little spill you need to fix up.
That's right. And that's your Tuesday Tip of the Day.
We want to thank you for joining us for another exciting video. And remember not just to watch our videos, but become a regular Cruising with Wheels family member. Click that subscribe button and hit that little bell to get regular notifications of when our videos go live. If you like these segments and you like our videos, give us a thumbs up. Click that share button so that all your friends, family, co-workers, whoever is a crazy cruiser can see our videos.
And remember, you can also follow us on all the other social media platforms. You're going to find us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat.
But until next time, remember to always
travel safe
and cruise often.